Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the linked treble stitch. So this linked stitch means that there's no holes between the stitches. They're all linked together to create a very flat, hole-free fabric, but because it's made with treble stitches, it grows really quickly. So for this stitch, there is no minimum number of stitches needed. You can use as many as you like. You just need to add 3 for your turning chain. So to start the linked treble stitch, we're going to start by, in the second loop from your hook, just insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then into the fourth chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you can have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then if we turn that around, that is a treble crochet, and these bars are going to allow us to make our next stitches. So the turning chain here does not count as a stitch. So what we've just done, there is the first stitch of our row. Now to make the next part, so to continue with the linked treble, we're going to be working into these bars here. So as we've just done, you're going to insert your hook into that bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Next bar down, push your hook through, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then into the next chain along, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 4 loops on your hook, same as we did before, and then same as we did, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and we've got another linked treble crochet. So the linked treble will always have 2 of these horizontal bars in each stitch, and it's those bars that you only work in along with the next chain or stitch in the row. So insert your hook into the first horizontal bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, go to the next horizontal bar down, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook, then we go to the next chain across, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And those stitches are linked together. If I pull them apart, there's not a lot going on. So it's a great way to make treble stitches that have no holes between. So it's very thin, it's a very flat, very thin stitch, but it's completely hole free. And you just carry on that all the way across your row. So the great thing about this is that you don't have to worry about that gap opening up at the top of the stitch. So when you make trebles, you can end up with a very loose top loop, but here they just close really normally without that looseness going on. You don't have to worry about keeping things tight. The way the stitch is made, it just keeps everything nice and together, really simply, and it works up so quickly and easily. No having to deal with the lots of loops flapping about the place. In a way, this is kind of like how you would do Tunisian crochet. It's definitely related to that a little bit. But you carry on just working into those horizontal bars all the way across the row. And that's what you get. Just those bars going across. So it's a really pretty stitch, but works up really fast, really easy. So to start the next row, you're going to turn and chain 3. And we're going to make the first stitch much like we did the others. So in the second chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, third chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then go into the first stitch of the row, loops at the top, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So your first stitch of the row is a bit chunky because of that starting chain, but you've got your horizontal bars there ready to go. So, and then we work the stitch the same way as did the row below. Into those horizontal bars, put those loops, then hook into the next stitch across, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Grab some more yarn. There we go. So now I've turned over, you can see the horizontal bars are not on the back of the stitch. They only sit on the front. Okay, so you're going to have alternating rows of stitches with no bars and then stitches with bars as you work your way across. So it's a very pretty stitch. Very quick and easy to make, but gives you a very hole-free fabric that's still flat, but it's not overly thick. So this works up in height really, really quickly. Okay, so I've made up this swatch, and this is 4 rows of the Linked Treble. So the bottom row is down here, that's actually the back of it. I turn it over. So there's the first row with its bars. Second row, that's the back of it, so no bars. Third row with bars. Fourth row with none. So you can see how that works up so quickly. Really nice height. Everything is nice and tight. No loose stitches at the top. And just looks really pretty. This will be a great stitch to use for making a quick sweater or a cardigan. But if I pull that apart, there's no holes going on apart from the little ones. But no, nothing big in the middle, like there would be with normal trebles. And lovely and thin fabric still as well. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the Linked Treble stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Remington Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitch guides, free crochet patterns, and hidden tips for your crochet as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.